Getting behind the wheel for the first time is a major milestone. And here in Colorado, teen drivers are hitting the road with big dreams. And unfortunately, big insurance bills. With higher rates due to inexperience and risk factors, car insurance for teens in Colorado isn't cheap, but it doesn't have to break the bank. In today's video, we're diving into the cheapest teen driver auto insurance in Colorado. We'll discuss the top 10 insurance companies, factors behind high teen auto insurance rates, and penalties for driving without insurance. So if you want to find the best deal on car insurance, head over to autoinsurance.org. Use our free comparison tool to compare quotes and find insurance providers that meet your needs and budget, all in just minutes. Teen auto insurance is expensive, and for good reason. Young drivers face higher accident rates due to inexperience, distractions, and risky behavior, which means insurers charge more to cover the risk. But that doesn't mean you're stuck with sky-high premiums. By choosing a company that offers teen-focused discounts, smart tech tools, and flexible plans, you can seriously lower those costs without sacrificing coverage. These are the top 10 auto insurance companies for teen drivers in Colorado, ranked based on affordability, available discounts, digital tools, and customer satisfaction. Starting strong with our top pick, Geico delivers low rates and a digital experience. Families with teen drivers will appreciate discounts for good students and defensive driving. And the minimum coverage cost is just $124 monthly, the lowest on this list. If you're comfortable managing everything online, Geico offers a hard-to-beat mix of value and simplicity. Liberty Mutual earns the second spot for its incredible policy flexibility. Whether you want to adjust deductibles or tailor add-ons, Liberty Mutual makes it easy to build the right plan. Plus, it offers minimum coverage starting at $140 per month, making it a strong pick for families with specific needs. In the third spot, we have State Farm, ideal for teens who can qualify for multiple savings. From the Steer Clear Driver Program to GPA discounts, State Farm rewards responsible behavior. While minimum coverage averages $160 per month, stacking discounts can make a big impact. Also, their network of local agents gives parents that helpful, personal connection. Ranked fourth is American Family, which really shines for student-focused savings. Teens who perform well in school can benefit from academic discounts, and policies are easy to customize. Minimum coverage costs about $179 per month, offering solid affordability and flexibility. At number 5, Nationwide is built for careful drivers ready to prove it. With programs like Smart Ride and Smart Miles, safe driving behavior can lower your premiums over time. The base minimum coverage rate is $213 monthly, and the usage-based savings help bring that number down further. Perfect for tech-savvy, confident drivers who want control over their rates. Want to know which insurance company actually gives you the best rate for your teen driver? Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare quotes and find insurance providers that offer rates based on your needs and situation. USAA comes in at our 6th spot, but for military families, it could easily be number 1. Known for top-notch customer service and excellent pricing, it offers minimum coverage at $290 per month. But it's only available to active, retired, or honorably discharged military members and their families. Allstate ranks 7th for those who want a little more baked into their policy. Allstate is great for families who want a little more protection. Minimum coverage is a bit higher at $293 monthly, but it includes options like accident forgiveness and support from local agents. Progressive claims the 8th spot thanks to its tech-forward approach. With a user-friendly app, instant online quotes, and the Snapshot program for usage-based savings, it's ideal for digitally inclined families. Minimum coverage comes in at $349 per month, so it's not the cheapest, but its convenience may be worth the premium. 9th on our list is Farmers, a great fit for families who want real human support. With a strong local agent network, Farmers provides personalized service to help you shape a plan that grows with your teen. Minimum coverage starts at $387 per month, which is higher than the other options we've mentioned, but the one-on-one help could make all the difference. Especially good for parents who want guidance at every step. Rounding out our top 10 is Travelers, perfect for teen drivers who might need a second chance. The company offers accident forgiveness, flexible payment plans, and strong coverage options. Its minimum coverage rate is $432 monthly, the highest on the list, but with extra support for newer drivers. Great for families who want protection from the unexpected. Finding affordable car insurance for teen drivers in Colorado can be challenging, but the right provider can make a big difference in both cost and coverage. So whether you're focused on price, flexibility, local agents, or digital perks, there's a company on this list that fits your needs. And remember, you don't have to guess which one's right for you. Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare rates and instantly see which insurer offers the lowest rates in your area. Easy and stress-free. Ever wondered why teen car insurance is so expensive in Colorado? It's not just about age. There are multiple risk factors that insurers consider before setting those high premiums. Let's break down the most important ones that impact how much you'll pay. First, a teen's driving record can dramatically affect their premium. Accidents, speeding tickets, or DUIs are red flags to insurers, signaling a higher risk of future claims. Even one violation can keep rates high for years. In addition, age and experience are major cost drivers. Young drivers are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents, especially in their first few years behind the wheel. Because of this, insurers automatically assign higher rates to teen policyholders. Next, the type of vehicle also plays a role. Cars that are expensive to repair, easy to steal, or lack safety features typically cost more to insure. Choosing a safer, modest vehicle can help reduce that premium. Fourth factor, your location impacts insurance costs. Teens in busy urban areas may face higher premiums due to more traffic, accidents, and thefts. Rural areas generally have lower rates because of fewer collisions and claims. Lastly, policyholders' credit score can influence rates. In Colorado, insurers may use credit-based insurance scores to assess risk. A lower score could result in higher premiums, even if the teen has a clean driving history. Teen insurance rates in Colorado reflect risk factors insurers can't ignore, but knowing what drives costs gives you the tools to find better options. And if you want to see how these factors affect your actual rate, visit autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you'll be able to check quotes from top insurers that are tailored to your teen's driving profile and your location. Colorado roads aren't the place to gamble, especially when it comes to insurance. Whether you're a teen getting your first taste of freedom or a parent footing the bill, skipping coverage isn't just risky, it's a legal landmine. And trust us, the consequences don't stop at a ticket. Here's what can happen if you drive without insurance in Colorado. First, you'll be hit with steep fines. A first offense comes with a minimum fine of $500, and the cost only climbs with repeat violations. Second, your license can be suspended. Colorado may suspend your license for up to 4 months, even if it's your first time being caught uninsured. Third, you'll need SR22 insurance. This is a special, more expensive form of coverage required for high-risk drivers, and you'll have to carry it for up to 3 years. Finally, you're fully liable in an accident. If you cause a crash without insurance, you're on the hook for all damages, including medical bills and repairs. Skipping insurance might save you money today, but it can cost you everything tomorrow, legally and financially. Want to stay protected and still save money? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to find the best rates and see which insurance companies offer the top deals in your area. Finding affordable car insurance for teen drivers in Colorado isn't easy, but the right provider can make a huge difference. By understanding the risks and comparing quotes, you can protect your teen and your wallet at the same time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know we're bringing you the info you need. Drop a comment below with your own tips for saving on teen car insurance. Share this with anyone else trying to cut down on those high premiums. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart insurance guides, tools, and tips. The right coverage doesn't just save you money. It gives you peace of mind every time your teen hits the road. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.